guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases, and I am so excited to share this week's new releases with you guys. I am pretty excited because there is only, after this, I think one more new release in the old format, and then we will be switching to the new format on the 25th release, so you guys will see that on the 23rd, and I am super duper stinking excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. We'll start with the foil items first. So let me go ahead and show you guys this wiggle because I'm like kind of high-key dying over this because we've never had a wiggle kind of like this, I don't think. And look how cool this wiggle is. This is called Pink Hollow Sequins, and it is in the star format, and I am just here for it all. I'm going to go ahead and put some close-up kind of different lightings for you guys on here, but I'm just like obsessed with this. I have to find a kit to use this with ASAP. It's just so pretty. It has a pinkish purple hollow with like kind of like the hollow has like the orangey colors in it, pink, purple. It's just a real good one. Definitely pick one of them up. They are on special pricing for the first 48 hours. They are not unlimited stock. Last week sold out on Thursday, I believe. That's because we didn't have a lot of them. I mentioned in last week's new releases that there were a lot of misfits with them. So we obviously like pack these up prior to know how many we have prior to selling, and there was a lot of misfits on that one, so we didn't have as many packs. But if you guys missed out on the like sparkly blue color, we do have different sparkly blue colors coming in the future, so stay tuned for that. So like I said, this is in the star format, so you have the bows, stars, you have the icons, and some Scroll Prints Co. type items, some the favorite sheet, the scripts, and then you have 6 of these here. So you have the 7 header overlays, the 14 half cut headers, and then the 2 full box overlays, and again you get 6 of those. You get the circle icons and the date numbers, you have the food doodles and drink doodles, and then last but not least you do have the star deco sheet. Obsessed with this one. It's like so pretty. There's the sequins in it are just like so cool. Let me show you again. It's so fun. I love it so much. So really excited to play with that one, and I cannot wait to see what you guys use it with. Also wanted to mention that if you guys didn't notice on the homepage, I announced I think like a month and a half, 2 months ago, sorry I'm resituating, that I put all of the old format wiggles on sale for $10. They're underneath the new releases section. I'm actually going to be lowering those. This will be the last time I'm lowering them to $8. That is to get rid of old stock and get ready for all of the new wiggles. We have so many still unreleased that we have already ready, and then I just placed an order for like over 15 or 18 more a couple of weeks ago. So I'm really excited for those. I picked some really cool foils, and I'm really excited to see them in person. So let's go ahead and get into the regular foil items. So these are also released on Wednesday. So we do have some like fresh start. I'm gonna have to think of a really good name for this, or ask probably Emily, because she used these I think 2 weeks ago in her planner. So these are super cute little full box overlay quotes, and they come in all 4 foils. So those are super cute. So you have life is tough, but so are you. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. If it costs your peace, it's too expensive. Every day is a fresh start. And then I have 2 scripts for you guys this week. They all come in all 4 foils. The first one is a highly requested read script. Tons of those on there since it's such a short word. And then we also have Playdate, which is super cute as well. And again, these both come in all 4 foil colors. So those are all of the foil releases for this week. Again, the wiggles, the old style wiggles that are currently $10 will be marked down to $8. Great time to stock up. There's some really cool foils in there that I use quite often. Let's go ahead into this week's new releases. So I do have 2 mini kit exclusives this week. Again, won't be doing these very often. As you guys know, it's just been recently. I kind of told you all about it last week. But I do have 3 full kits. These have all been done for quite a while. But like I said last week, I am releasing all of the kits in the old format. There is a couple of kits that I did like have done, but I went ahead and reformatted just because I was like, need. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. I have 1 exclusive art, which is this one, which I'm going to show you guys. So this one is called Tokyo. All 3 of these kits come in Ultimate and Mini, and then I'll show you guys the mini kit exclusives last. So this is Tokyo, and it's part of our little series of just different cities. I'm not doing every city, obviously. There's so many big cities in the world, but I just picked some different ones to do, and I just loved this one. I love the colors of it. I don't plan on going to Tokyo anytime soon, and I feel like if I go to Tokyo, I'm going to go to Tokyo and also go to Tokyo Disney, but maybe like, I probably won't go till like the boys are like 4 and like 6, but I really, really love this collection, and I love the colors of it. I love the vibes. And then you have this really fun faux glitter throughout, which I'll show you whenever we get to the weekend banner page. But you have your extra full box here, your little things, your headers, and then look at the fun glitter. That's the glitter throughout, like the faux glitter print. Your deco page, and then last but not least, you have your bottom washi, which I'm just like high key in love with. You have your little munchkin head freebie. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options while I'm on this page. So you have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's an option if you want to add on the label sampler, and last but not least, there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. Such a fun collection. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna be able to wait like 4 years to use this, so I might just use it as a really pretty, like maybe September kit it would be really nice as, or I don't know. If I have room in April or May, I feel like that would be kind of a fun time to use it as well. But let me know if you guys could think of any other reason to use it, but I am like high key in love with it. It also does come in a mini kit. I'll show you guys this one, and then I'll wait to show you the mini kit format till the mini kit exclusives, because that is the newer format, even though not much has changed to the naked eye. I will explain that again then, but this also does come in a mini kit. We do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. Y'all have been blowing me away with the unlimited stock period. We have been like, what is going on? So that is the Tokyo kit. Then let's go through Refresh, which is a super cute, just kind of anytime collection. I think that this kind of is just anytime vibes. I think the colors are really pretty in September, March, May, June, anytime. So it does also come in a mini kit. And then this scene here is an exclusive art piece scene, so you won't find that scene anywhere else. Kind of like, I think last week I had one that had an exclusive scene, or what is that called? Good Things had an exclusive scene as well. So this has the Munchkin Head freebie. It's just such a pretty, like, just like a mindful, relaxed, I'm trying to think of the word. Not like me time, but like just kind of like relaxed R&R type kit. I love these colors. I think they're so pretty. I think actually this gives me, I think, the most September vibes, and I'm here for it. So you have your little things, you have your headers, you have your deco, which is super, super pretty, and then you have your bottom washi. While I'm on this page, I'll show you guys the 15mm strip. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and last but not least, there is the option if you want to add on the label sampler. Both the Ultimate and the Mini do have the Munchkin Head freebie. Oh my god, guys, I am like, there's like some really cool stuff coming out this year. Ugh. I have some really cool custom stuff coming. You guys have no idea. And I'm working with a lot of different people, like a lot of different shops, and I'm like really excited about it for different things. So just know, just sometimes I say things and they like trigger like excitement for like future things. It just reminds me like of how many exciting things are coming this year. So this one here is called Sweet Summer. It is just a really pretty, like, it's called a summer kit. So this also does come in a mini kit format. So this is just a really pretty quintessential summer kit with really gorgeous colors. It reminds me of kind of vintage floral that came out like 4 or 5 years ago at this point. I feel so old. I was looking for art the other day that was a mystery, like from 2018, and I found stuff from 2016, and I was like, what even? Like, what is this? But it was just like taking a walk through memory lane. I love the deco in here. It's so pretty. It's just a really soft, like pretty, like feminine kit, I think. So you have the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. You also have the label sampler if you want to add that on. And then last but not least, you also do have the glitter headers if you want to add that on. Ultimate and Mini both do come with the Munchkin Head freebie. So those are the 3 complete collections this week. So those all have Ultimate and mini kits. And then last but not least, like I said, these have been done for quite a while, like quite a while. Let's go through the new art that came out this past weekend. So these are 2 mini kit exclusives of art that just came out. I wanted to be able to put them up for you guys, so we are able to do mini kit exclusives. So let's get into these. So this one is called Tiny Grad, and then this one is called Grad. So this one kind of has more of a kiddie feel, but I also feel like this could really go for a kid as well. But this one kind of has more of like an adult, mature feel. So let's go through this one first. So this one is called Grad. So these are mini kit exclusives in the new format. Like I said, there's not much that changed to the naked eye for the mini kit format, but actually every page has changed. It's just like maybe like 2 pixels have changed of it. It honestly, like this reformat, I went in and fine something. I went in with a fine comb. I don't know what the saying is, but I went in and I went in pixel by pixel and like went in and just was like fixing, changing, and doing things. So you guys will see more on the 25th when I show you guys the full kit, because that is what has changed the most. Even though like I know I spent so much time on it and a lot of it is like little changes that you won't even be able to notice. So if you're like worried like, oh, what's changing? Like, is this going to affect my planner? Not really. No, I did a lot of research on like what everyone's using and things like that. And it's really not going to affect much. If I think it's gonna be very, very amazing. So these are the full boxes here. So this is Grad. I love the colors of this. I think it's super pretty. It's not quite pastel. I don't think it's more of like, just like a really pretty, not like, it's not neon, it's not pastel, it's just really gorgeous colors. I just really like it. And you have the gold kind of accents throughout, but I thought that I didn't want to do like gold glitter, like faux glitter throughout, because I feel like you could also do like hollow, sparkly hollow. You could pull in a fun foil with this and kind of go with like a pink or a purple or a blue. We have all colors that would look good with it, or a sparkly gold. I just feel like that you could do like a lot of different things with this, so I didn't want to like make it a gold kind of kit. This is the only page that has changed. I have mentioned prior, the weekend banner is now here. There's no bow, and then it just makes a little bit more room for deco over here. But yeah, it's super, super cute. And then you do have the functional page, you have the half boxes page, and then you do have the bottom washi page, the Munchkin Head freebie, and then there are a la carte options for both this kit and the other kit. So there is the 15mm strip. If you want to add that on, there is also, there's a lot of actually extras for both of them. I just couldn't not. I was like, should I? And then I was like, I feel like they need them. So then there's the label sampler, glitter headers, and then there's like the back of the girl's head. So you have the 3 here along with the one that's like in the kit itself. And then you have like an extra full box, like a girlier full box, I guess. And then you also have the guys. So you have the 3 guys here and then like a more guyish, I guess, full box. So you kind of have extra options to kind of extend it and make it your own with what you want to add on. I feel like you could also use, obviously, marble multicolor with this. And it would match really, really well because it's the same marble pattern. I didn't change the color or anything of it. So that's another way to kind of make this kit extend a little bit, would be to pull in marble multicolor. So again, that is Grad. And then last but not least, we do have Tiny Grad, which is a very bright, fun, colorful kit. I really debated quite a while on what I wanted to do with this kit. Not quite a while, but it was longer than I normally do. Because I was like, do I want to do the colors as like the rainbow? But I decided that I think if this was me and I was using this kit, I would want to do neutrals. Let me show you the wrong page to put it on. Neutrals, and then use rainbow foil with this, because this is the coolest kit to use like rainbow foil with. I think we do have one in our like actual, like it'll be $8 when this comes out, so definitely pick that up because I feel like that will look really cool with this. But you still have a lot of items that are colorful. Actually it's just kind of here and here that are the neutral kind of items. So this is super cute, very like kiddish, just fun rainbow colors. You have your deco page, you have your functional page, half boxes page, and then your bottom washi, and then you also do have the Munchkin Head freebie there. And then while I'm on here, I'll show you guys there is an option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. The black in this kit, not like on the functional pages, but the black here and then on the like backgrounds and the little backgrounds here, it does have like a chalkboard feel to it. So if you got this, it's not like a solid black, it has like a chalkboard. You can kind of see like little writings and scrapes on it, which is really cool. I thought it gave it like a little bit of texture. So there is the 15mm strip if you want to add that on. Like imagine that with like with like the confetti-y type rainbow glitter on it. So pretty. And then this with the rainbow on it would be also like to die for. Or you could just pull in your face. Like we have colors like blue, green, red. Like you could pull in those, and purple. You could do it either way. I think that'd be really fun. Or if you want to just do like silver, I think that'd be pretty too. So lots of options. You have the glitter if you want to add that on. And then last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add, not last but not least, but you have the label sampler. And then there's also some little girls and then some little boys from the back as well. But they're super, super cute. So I think this is a really fun kit for like a kiddie graduation. Or even if your big kid is graduating and you just want to do something nostalgic because maybe you weren't sticker planning whenever they graduated. Probably not, I don't think. If they're graduating like high school, it'd be cute to use like your little boy or little girl. It's so cute. So that is Tiny Grad. So that is everything for this week. Lots of stuff. I'm actually like pretty excited for the new format when we're going to be able to reel it back a little bit because it's been a lot. Those listings, they take me forever. So that is everything for this week. We do have, like I said, Tokyo, which is exclusive art right there. And then we also do have, what did I call this? Refresh. Yes, Refresh. And then there is also Sweet Summer. And then there is Tiny Grad, Regular Grad. And then also there is the Wiggle for this week, which is so pretty. The pink hollow sequins. And then the 3 foil releases, we do have these quote boxes and then 2 scripts here as well. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.